Welcome to Techno Thinkers, the hub of technology enthusiasts, where we journey through the past, present, and future of tech. Our mission is to delve into the heart of technological advancements, unravel the intricacies, and bring you insights that matter. Today, we're embarking on an exciting exploration into the captivating realm of artificial intelligence, from its humble beginnings to its groundbreaking applications in today's world and the ethical dilemmas it presents. We've got it all covered in this comprehensive guide. So fasten your seatbelts as we dive into the fascinating world of AI. From the early inklings of machine intelligence in the 1950s, the field of artificial intelligence, or AI as we know it, has come a long way. The first glimmers of AI gave birth to machines that could learn, evolving into the concept of neural networks in the 1980s. Fast forward to the 2000s, and we witnessed the revolution of deep learning, propelling AI into a new magnitude of possibilities. These advancements set the stage for the AI-driven era we live in today. Fast forward to the present day, and AI permeates every aspect of our lives. It's the invisible force that powers our daily interactions. Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant, and other virtual assistants make our lives easier by setting reminders or answering our queries. It's the smart algorithm in our cars that helps us navigate the streets, and in some cases, even drives us to our destination. In the medical field, predictive algorithms analyze patient data to detect diseases at an early stage. In finance, AI aids in risk assessment, fraud detection, and trading. From our smartphones to our workplaces, AI has found a place in every nook and corner. The influence of AI is undeniable, but it's not without its challenges. As AI becomes more pervasive, it brings with it a host of ethical questions and challenges. Algorithmic bias, for instance, has been a pressing issue. When AI systems are trained on biased data, they can perpetuate and even amplify these biases, leading to unfair outcomes. Privacy concerns, too, are paramount. As AI systems become more capable of processing and analyzing vast amounts of personal data, how do we ensure our privacy is protected? Additionally, there's the looming question of job displacement. As AI becomes more capable, what happens to the jobs currently performed by humans? These debates are ongoing within the AI community, and addressing these challenges is crucial to harnessing the full potential of AI. Despite these challenges, the future of AI holds immense promise. Picture this: a world where AI-powered innovations revolutionize healthcare, making early disease detection and personalized treatment a reality. Imagine classrooms where AI tutors provide bespoke education, adapting to each student's learning style. Now visualize AI aiding in space exploration, unveiling mysteries of the cosmos. With ongoing research and breakthroughs, these aren't mere fantasies. The road ahead is exciting, but it requires responsible and ethical AI development. The journey of AI, from its humble beginnings to its current omnipresence, is a testament to human ingenuity. We've explored its historical milestones, marveled at its modern applications, and pondered the ethical dilemmas it presents. We've glimpsed at a future powered by AI, from healthcare to education, even space exploration. The road ahead is ripe with possibilities and challenges alike. Stay informed, stay curious, and remember, the future of AI is in our hands.